What's going on, family? So I wanted to show you this little welder right here. This is a bad little welder for a miller. I actually think for shop fabrication, small things, this is great. I mean, you can actually weld up to 1/2 inch with this or a little more, but this is a dope machine. It's a multi-processing machine, so you can TIG, MIG, and stick, and it even memorize your settings. So once you lock everything in on how you want it to keep everything kosher steady. So this is a dope little machine. So I'm going to get one of these. That generator I had, something went wrong with it. So the guy had this unit in the back of his truck, so we're using this one on a power, and it's working fine. So I'm knocking these plates out. I'm actually flux coring the plates on, like tacking them on, and then I flip it over and I use the stick welder with the 7018. So it's dope, man. I like it. I'm getting one of these. Top process, and it's not real heavy neither. So good unit. Hog on.